Okay guys, we're back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how the variables work in Python code, and also I'm going to show you how can we print out that variable value in Python, and also maybe I'm going to show you other stuff also. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we're back. In the last video I show you how the print syntax is work. If you wanna watch that video, you can go back to my playlist and you can find it in the first order of the list. You can find it in the first order. So but today's I'm going to show you how can we create a variable and how can we print it out, and also I'm going to show you some other stuff also. So I'm currently in the last video I create this folder, but throughout this course I'm going to use this file only, so I just renamed this folder into Python. So let's quickly run it. Okay, Python. I think I spelled this correctly. Okay, to create a variable in Python, or variables means you can store some value, maybe some characters like this that's surrounded by quotation mark. This is called strings or text. Some values that are surrounded by quotation mark or single quotation mark is called strings, or which means refers in the real world. Text, which means you can reminded by strings means basically a characters. It is not a number, but it is a strings. Maybe I will come in this topic in other video because it is complex for if you are a beginner. So to maybe if you want to say hi, and if you want to print it out, maybe or maybe if you want to store it in this file and if you wanted to call with maybe let's show you maybe some random I'm not typing, I'm just typing randomly. Okay, I added other strings, so you see this cannot recognize after I put other quotation mark. I have to delete it. Then if I don't want to call this strings, I can just here I just say for the L to create a value in Python. All you have to do is by signing that value by equal sign, and then it will going to, if I going to say L, this L value going to have this value here that we we write it out last time. So if we wanted to see this, if we run the code, we're not going to see it, but it's stored in L L variable, and then if you wanted to see it, we have to use print syntax in order to see it. So let's say print, and then we have to surround every time by bracket. I show you that in the last video, and I hope that makes sense. And this L going to refer this text that I write it randomly. If I go and run this code, it will going to print out this one, because I told for the code to print out the L. L means here we say L equal to this character, so it will going to print it out L, which means this character. So if I hope this makes sense, because if we put other character, for example J, as you can see here, they have weird dash under the G characters, because we did not create G variable before. So but if I do this, if I surround it by quotation mark, it will going to print out G. But if I just only not surrounded by quotation mark, but if I just did that, it will going to say error. Let's show here. As you can see here, name G is not defined, because we are not give it a value for G, and we do not specify that. But if you put L, it will going to print it out. But before I do that, if I put uppercase L, it doesn't recognize that, because in Python code it's only take if you provide for your value with if your variable is let's say if you write your variable by uppercase, and if you wanted to use it, if you type it lowercase of your value, it doesn't recognize that. That's one of the Python rules that they have, I think. So that's why you say it. But let's do L, and let's see what's going to come out here. As you can see over here, these strings or texts are printed here on the terminal. I hope you are familiar with terminal. If you don't, maybe I will going to make a videos for terminal window, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, consider to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the other video, and goodbye.